Most cruise passengers think they've mastered breakfast. Buffet, eggs, pancakes. Done. But here's the truth. Some of the best food on the entire ship is sitting just a few steps away, completely ignored. We're talking hidden menu items, off-menu upgrades, and secret breakfast spots that most people walk right past. And the #1 item on this list? It's something you can get for free that feels like a luxury experience. If you've ever felt like cruise breakfasts get repetitive, or you've seen people eating something that looks way better than what's on your plate, you're not missing out because it's unavailable. You're missing out because no one told you where to look. In this video, I'm breaking down 15 cruise breakfast foods you're probably skipping, but absolutely shouldn't. And more importantly, how to actually get them. Let's get into it. #1. Fresh omelets made your way, not the buffet ones. Let's start with something you've probably seen, but not fully used. Most people grab the pre-made scrambled eggs from the buffet trays. Big mistake, because just a few steps away, there's usually an omelet station where chefs cook everything fresh. And here's the difference. Buffet eggs equals mass-produced, often overcooked. Omelet station equals made-to-order, fresh ingredients, better flavor. Pro tip, don't just ask for a basic omelet. Ask for extras like smoked salmon, avocado, specialty cheeses. Sometimes they have premium ingredients they won't advertise. #2. Fresh baked pastries, not the display ones. Those croissants sitting in piles? Yeah, those might have been sitting there a while. But what most people don't realize, cruise ships bake pastries multiple times in the morning, meaning the best ones aren't always on display. What to do? Ask a crew member. Do you have any fresh batch coming out? You'd be surprised how often they'll bring out warm croissants, chocolate pastries, soft flaky danishes. Huge difference in taste. #3. Hidden fruit platters. Better than the buffet cuts. Buffet fruit is fine, but it's usually pre-cut, sitting out, losing freshness. Meanwhile, in dining rooms or by request, you can often get freshly prepared fruit plates. We're talking better presentation, fresher cuts, sometimes higher quality fruit. Why it matters? It actually tastes sweeter and more refreshing, especially on hot cruise mornings. #4. Pancakes with custom toppings. Most people grab pancakes, plain, maybe syrup, and move on. But here's the upgrade most people miss. You can often customize them beyond what's shown. Ask for fresh berries, whipped cream, chocolate drizzle, nut toppings. Some ships will even make banana pancakes, blueberry pancakes, chocolate chip pancakes. Fresh, not pre-made. It turns a basic breakfast into something you'd pay for on land. #5. Specialty coffee that you didn't know was included. Here's where people waste money. They walk straight to the paid coffee bar without realizing some dining areas offer better coffee than the buffet for free. Look for dining room breakfast service, quiet lounges in the morning. You might get cappuccino, latte, espresso. Included. Key move, always ask before paying. #6. Crispy bacon done right. Buffet bacon is a gamble. Sometimes it's perfect, other times it's floppy. Here's the trick. Ask for extra crispy bacon directly from the kitchen or live station. They'll often make a fresh batch just for you. And yes, it tastes completely different. #7. Eggs Benedict, the hidden star. This is where things level up. Eggs Benedict is rarely sitting in the buffet trays, but it's often available in the main dining room or by request. And most people skip it because they don't see it. Big miss, because it's one of the best breakfast items on the ship. Creamy hollandaise, perfect poached eggs, toasted base, restaurant-level quality included. #8. Smoked salmon and bagel station. This one's usually there, but overlooked. You'll often find a section with smoked salmon, cream cheese, capers, fresh bagels, but it's not always front and center. Why it matters? This is one of the most premium-feeling breakfast combos on board, and people walk right past it. #9. Fresh waffles, not the pre-made ones. There's a huge difference between pre-made waffles and fresh waffle station waffles. Fresh ones are crispier, warmer, way more flavorful. And here's the upgrade. Ask if they can add chocolate chips, fruit inside the batter. Some ships will do it. Number 10. Made-to-order breakfast sandwiches. This is one of the most underrated hacks. Instead of grabbing random items, ask for a custom breakfast sandwich. Think fresh egg, cheese, bacon or sausage, toasted bread or bagel, built exactly how you want. Perfect for quick mornings, excursion days. Quick question, what's your go-to cruise breakfast? Are you team buffet or sit-down dining? Drop it in the comments. I'm curious what most people actually prefer. And keep watching, because the next few items are where things get seriously underrated. Number 11. Healthy smoothies that aren't always listed. Not every cruise advertises this clearly, but many offer fruit smoothies, yogurt blends, fresh juice combinations, sometimes at juice bars or by request in dining areas. Why people miss it? It's not always labeled, but it's there, and it's a huge upgrade from sugary breakfast drinks. Number 12. International breakfast dishes. This is where things get interesting. Cruise ships cater to global passengers, which means you'll often find Asian breakfast options, European-style dishes, local specialties depending on itinerary, but they're not always in obvious spots. Why it matters? You're getting a global breakfast experience without realizing it. Number 13. Fresh toast in artisan bread. Sounds simple, but most people underestimate this. Instead of grabbing basic sliced bread, look for fresh bakery sections, artisan loaves, specialty spreads, then toast it fresh. Add butter, jam, honey. Simple, but way better than standard options. Number 14. Room service breakfast. The game changer. This is one people know about, but don't use enough. Room service breakfast is often free or very cheap, customizable, and delivered to your door. And here's the real benefit. You get to enjoy breakfast on your balcony, in peace, without crowds. Pro move, order it the night before using the door card. Wake up, and it's already on the way. Number 15. The secret upgrade breakfast experience. Now this is what most people never discover. Some cruise ships quietly offer specialty breakfast venues, quiet dining rooms, or upgraded morning menus that feel like a premium restaurant but are included or low cost. And here's the key, they're usually less crowded, better quality, more relaxed. This is the difference between I had breakfast and that was one of the best meals of the trip. So the next time you're on a cruise, don't just follow the crowd to the buffet, because the best breakfast on the ship is often the one you have to look for. From hidden stations to custom orders, these small upgrades completely change your experience. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, because in the next video, I'm breaking down cruise lunch secrets most passengers never discover. And trust me, breakfast is just the beginning.